Welcome to Knowledge Carrier, your channel to have fun and especially to learn something new. Today we will see how much you know about North America. You have 8 questions and 10 seconds to answer each question correctly. Take your seat and get ready to start. Old Faithful Geyser is located in which among the following countries? A. Canada, B. USA, C. Spain, D. Mexico. Correct answer is USA. Which of the following European countries is known as the land of 1,000 lakes? A. Norway, B. Sweden, C. Finland, D. Estonia. Correct answer is Finland. Which country has a flag with pointed red maple leaf? A. Austria, B. Canada, C. Lebanon, D. Australia. Correct answer is Canada. Which of the following is largest river system in the United States? A. Potomac, B. Colorado, C. Mississippi, D. Columbia. Correct answer is Mississippi. Which of the following country is known as the Pearl of Caribbean Sea? A. Cuba, B. Anguilla, C. Bahamas, D. Jamaica. Correct answer is Cuba. Which of the following country is the largest producer of uranium? A. Australia, B. Canada, C. Russia, D. France. Correct answer is Canada. Who among the following discovered the North America? A. Columbus, B. Vasco da Gama, C. Bartolomeo Diaz, D. John Cabot. Correct answer is Columbus. Hope you are finding these questions interesting. Please like, share and subscribe, which will motivate me to create more such videos. Which of the following straits separate North America from Asia? A. Bering Strait, B. Cabot Strait, C. Strait of Canso, D. Cebu Strait. Correct answer is Bering Strait. Which of the following latitude forms the boundary between the two big countries USA and Canada? A. 45-degree north latitude, B. 46-degree north latitude, C. 47-degree north latitude, D. 49-degree north latitude. Correct answer is 49-degree north latitude. Which of the following lakes acts as the dividing line between the USA and Canada? A. Athabasca Lake and Reindeer Lake, B. Great Lakes and St. Lawrence River, C. Erie Lake and Ontario Lake, D. Superior Lake and Huron Lake. Correct answer is Great Lakes and St. Lawrence River. Which of the following is highest peak as well as active volcano of North America? A. Mount Aconcagua, B. Mount Etna, C. Mount Mackenzie, D. All of the above. Correct answer is Mount Mackenzie. Which of the following is not the part of physiographic regions of North America? A. Canadian Shield, B. Appalachian Mountain, C. Atlantic Coastal Plain, D. Ethiopian Highlands. Correct answer is Ethiopian Highlands. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world? A. Great Bear Lake, B. Great Slave Lake, C. Lake Superior, D. Erie Lake. Correct answer is Lake Superior. Which of the following North American waterfalls comprises of three waterfalls? The Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls and the Bridal Veil Falls. A. Yosemite Waterfall, B. Niagara Falls, C. Cumberland Falls, D. Bash Beach Falls. Correct answer is Niagara Falls. Which North American country known as the sugar bowl of the world? A. Cuba, B. Canada, C. USA, D. Mexico. Correct answer is Cuba. Which of the following type of grassland found in North America? A. Savannas, B. Prairies, C. Steppes, D. Meadows. Correct answer is prairies. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.